Learn English with Titanic movie. Dive into tenses with Titanic. Past perfect tense with timeline. Past perfect tense. Timeline 1. The past perfect tense is used for action 1 finished before action 2 in the past. For a clearer understanding, pause the video and look at the timeline below. Titanic examples. The crew had seen the iceberg before the ship hit it. The captain had received warnings before the disaster happened. Rose had worn the diamond necklace before she lost it in the sinking. The engineers had been working on the engines when the ship started to break. Jack had lived a free life before he met Rose on the ship. Like, comment and subscribe.